Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zerion Portfolio Tracker with wallet connections, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the Zerion Portfolio Tracker, start by opening your preferred web browser. Visit the official Zerion website by typing in the URL. Once on the home page, locate the option for downloading the app. Click on the download link suitable for your operating system, whether it's Android or iOS. For mobile users, visit the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Zerion Portfolio Tracker in the search bar. Select the app from the results and tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Zerion app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Choose the appropriate option to proceed. If creating a new account, enter your email address and create a strong password. Follow any additional prompts to complete the registration process. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard of the app. To connect your wallet, navigate to the Settings or Wallet Connection section, usually found in the menu. Select the type of wallet you want to connect, such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or others. Follow the specific instructions provided for your wallet type. If using MetaMask, open your MetaMask extension or app. Select the account you wish to connect and copy your wallet address. Return to the Zerion app and paste the wallet address in the designated field. For Wallet Connect, scan the QR code displayed in the Zerion app using your wallet app. Confirm the connection request in your wallet app. Once connected, your wallet balances and assets will automatically sync with the Zerion tracker. Explore the various features of the app to manage and monitor your portfolio efficiently. Review transaction histories and portfolio performance as needed. Adjust your settings to customize notifications and preferences. You have successfully installed and connected your wallet to the Zerion Portfolio Tracker. Enjoy tracking your cryptocurrency assets in real time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.